Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for my mystery box, and it had a baby book and some yarn in it. And if you are the winner, my email is listed down below. Please contact me and I'll send it out to you as soon as possible. And if I don't hear from you within a week, then I'll have to pick somebody else. So a few promotions I have are listed down below, which is my Crochet Hat for Beginners Kindle on Amazon, Crochet for Beginners, which is paperback and Kindle. Knit Crate is $24.95. If you sign up under me with the promo code JEWEL20, you can get 20% off your first month. And some crochet mugs and bag at my Etsy store. So let's see who the winner is. Lori Kale, if I said that correctly, thank you for the giveaway. I'd love to crochet and learn more about it. Congratulations. Please contact me as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for participating and for subscribing, and look out for future giveaways.